Hello everyone. Today I'll be guiding you through the entire process of installing AmpCon-T Management Platform. This video is going to introduce installation of AmpCon-T Management Platform from start to finish. Install AmpCon-T Management Platform. First, before installation, you should have an x86-64 server with at least an 8-core architecture, and Linux is required as the operating system. Ubuntu Server 22.04 is recommended for direct installation on a physical host or virtual machine. Memory 16 GB or above, hard disk 500 GB or above. Also, make sure the server and network element have direct bidirectional connectivity without proxy. If a firewall exists, the server needs to have the following TCP ports open: 2222, 1000, 443, and 22. Second, let's install Docker Engine. Uninstall old Docker. If not installed on VM, skip. Then update the system. Run this code to set up the repository. It will take about 5 minutes to complete the setup. Proceed with the Docker Engine installation. The script requires some time to complete its execution. Next, enter this code to verify Docker. After installing Docker, upload the corresponding network management software package to the location at home. Admin, hostname, on the Linux system using SFTP/FTP services. Next, let's see how to install and start the AmpCon-T server program. First, unzip the package to the server directory. Enter the AmpCon-T directory. Use the actual name. Install the network management software. It takes some time to complete. Please be patient. Navigate back to the parent directory, enter /user share automation server, and start the server. After successful installation, access the AmpCon-T management interface by entering the corresponding IP address of the installed and deployed server. After installing, here comes to some steps for network configuration. Prepare a management PC and connect it directly to the ETH port of the chassis interface panel. Ensure both are on the same subnet and can ping each other. Open a browser and access the address to enter the device's web GUI management interface. Enter the default username password, admin/fs@otn. Click Login. Once logged in, navigate to System Management, Network, and right-click Interface 1-40-NM1 to create a new IPv4 address, deleting the old one if exists. The last part is about verification. Log into AmpCon-T and view the user interface. After the initial login, simply open your browser, Chrome recommended. Enter the AmpCon-T server address. Press Enter to access the login page and log in to the AmpCon-T system using the default username password, admin. Navigate to the Device Control Panel page by selecting Resource Device View from the main navigation menu. Select the root directory or a specific network element group. Then click the Add button to open the Add Network Element dialog. Enter the network element's name, IP address, port number 830, default username admin, and password fs@otn, then click Apply to add the device. Click the desired network element in the list, then click Device Display in the upper right corner to view the chassis diagram. The front panel is displayed by default. Click Rear to view the backplane diagram. If the network element has a connected MUX, it will appear on the chassis diagram. Click the MUX tab to view the MUX panel diagram. Now, you can freely access network element information and perform the desired operations, such as monitoring and maintenance, from the relevant interface. So this is the video of the entire installation process of our AmpCon-T management platform. Welcome to visit the FS website to start trial and explore all its amazing features. Thank you.